Now let me show you the demonstration of transactions. First, I've logged in as the user test. Then I'm going to create a table called test.employee. Created. Now transaction 1, which is inserting Tom's info. Done. Verified. Committed. Transaction 1 is done. Now on to transaction 2. Insert Scott's info. Done. Verified and committed. Now to transaction 3. Modify both the values. I should not do a commit in between. That's the key. Verify and commit. Transaction 3 is done. Thank you for watching this video.